Hello aspirants, welcome to my YouTube channel Banking Buddy with Neha. In this video, I am going to discuss 5 tips that is going to improve your bank examination preparation or the routine which you are following. What are those 5 hacks that you can use to improve your preparation process? So, the first tip is prepare a to-do list or target every morning or a night before for the particular day, okay, and make sure that you complete that to-do list, because if you start skipping studies, your mind will automatically make a habit of skipping the routines or skipping the studies, okay. Like then your mind will play hacks with you that leave today, we will do tomorrow, or what will happen if I don't pass the examination. So that time just say your mind, you have to believe in the process and the preparation, and everybody has to go through it, okay. So just make a target and to-do list and be practical about it. Everybody has different capacity, don't compare with somebody else. Whatever capacity you have, just go for that, day by day or week by week increase your capacity, okay. Next tips that I am going to give you and I have used mainly during my preparation is, after 1 week following the to-do list or after 10 days following the to-do list, stay 1 day without any to-do list, okay, and that 1 day give yourself a complete freedom that whichever subject you want to study, you will study only that subject. For me, sometimes I chose reasoning, and on that day I used to solve 25, 30, 35 puzzles on that full day, okay. This will give you the freedom from that to-do list and targets which seems boring for you sometimes. So this 1 day will give you a good hold over that subject, okay. You can take reasoning 1 day, and after some time you can take quant or arithmetic, whichever subject you are facing problem or whichever subject you are thinking that you have to give more time, take that subject for the whole day and give your whole day to that subject, okay. Whatever hours, do not look whatever hours you are sitting with that subject. It may be 5 hours, it may be 3 hours, it may be 8 hours, that doesn't matter. It is up to your mind or up to your will, okay. So just give that day to that subject only and don't read any other subjects or don't follow any routine. That will be a break from your daily routines and will give a good hold towards that subject, okay. The third tip that I want to give you, ask yourself whether you are escaping the things or you are entertaining yourself. For example, with me, I was staying with my family in a whole exam preparation. Sometimes I used to sit with my mom to watch TV serials, okay. That time I used to ask myself, during watching TV serials, I used to ask myself that whether I am escaping my studies, whether I am escaping the English study, DI study, or I am entertaining myself. If the answer is that I am escaping myself from studies, that time I just walk over from there. Or if the answer is I am enjoying the TV serial or I am entertaining myself after the full day study, that time I used to sit there and watch that TV serial. Every time when you see yourself indulge in pleasurable activities, ask yourself whether you are escaping the important things or you are entertaining after a long hard work preparation. Fourth tip that I want to give you is that if on some day you don't want to study and things are not going well and according to your routines and you are totally frustrated, okay, just give 1 day to yourself. 1 day you will not do anything and don't study, and at the same time don't engage yourself with any kind of pleasurable activities like mobile, TV, friends and movies, okay. Don't. After 1 day you will find yourself that you want to study, you will find the cause that why you have started preparation itself, okay. The fifth tip that that I have used for me, that every time you fall, try to rise, because consistency does not mean that you will never fall and you will rise again and again, okay. Consistency means that every time you will fall, every time you will discontinue the routine, the next time you will start making new routines. I myself have destroyed many routines and discontinued many routines, make routines many times. So this is the time that you have to say yourself that this is not the end and I am going to push myself. Every time you discontinue the routine or you fail, just gather all your energies and start doing things again. If you like these videos, then do like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.